Emotional intelligence. In my last video, I talked about why emotional awareness is important for achieving real success in life. And in this video, I am going to bring 6 basic yet powerful tips to build emotional intelligence among youngsters. So if you are a youngster who is struggling with number of emotions, or if you are a youngster who doesn't have such struggling emotions but you want to build your emotional intelligence to have real success and to create true happiness in life, this video is for you. And if you are a parent of a youngster, please call your youngster along with you and watch this video to help them to build powerful emotional intelligence. So, hi, I'm Piali, founder of Mission Empowering Mind, Teen Empowerment Coach. I've been working with the teenagers since a long while. If you are someone who have already subscribed our channel and been there in this journey, thank you for watching and listening to me. And if you are someone who have not subscribed our channel yet, please go and hit the bell button, because every week we bring powerful, empowering videos for the youngsters and for the parent of youngsters to create a meaningful and a real successful life. So let's start our journey. If you find the 6 tips that I'm going to share in this video are helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you find that these tips can be helpful for your friends, or these tips can be relatable with someone else, please don't forget to share this video, because the whole objective is to bring or to build strong emotional intelligence among our youngsters. So let's start the journey of emotional intelligence. Tip number 1. Consider your emotions as a part of your system. Most of the time we consider especially our unpleasant emotions as our enemy, and we try to control them, we try to overpower them, we try to suppress them, deny them, and that all those are the biggest mistakes we do with our unpleasant emotions. Because emotions are part of our system, and since it is a part of our system, can it be unpurposeful? Because most of the part of our systems are really useful. So as emotions, even if it is an unpleasant emotion, it wants to tell you something. So make friendship with your emotions, even if it is an unpleasant emotion, and try to identify what emotion you are having right now. Try to understand what is it trying to say you and work accordingly. Tip 2. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Emotions and breathing has a very powerful relationship. So did you observe that when you get angry or when you get anxious, there is a significant change in your breathing rate, right? You take frequent breathing or fast breathing. In the same way, consciously, if you control your breathing or if you manage your breathing in a specific way, it impacts your emotional health. So how it happens? Let me explain that. When you take diaphragmatic breathing or abdominal breathing or belly breathing, it actually impacts it. It helps your diaphragm to move, and it helps your lung to expand more and take maximum air inside. And it also helps to slow down your breathing rate. Once your breathing rate slows down in order, it slows down the heart rate, and it stimulates the vagus nerve, which is connected with our brain and which is accountable for our parasympathetic nervous, which is connected with our parasympathetic nervous system, and which actually generates our emotions. So when you start taking diaphragmatic breathing, you actually works on your parasympathetic nervous system, and which helps you to settle down your emotions, your unpleasant emotions. Now, how to take that diaphragmatic breathing? Let me decode it in very easy 7 simple steps. Sit or lie down on a comfortable flat surface. Relax your shoulders, shifting them downward away from the ears. Put a hand on your chest and a hand on your stomach. Without straining or pushing, breathe in through your nose until you can't take in any more air. Feel the air moving through your nostril into your abdomen, expanding your stomach and sides of the waist. Your chest remains relatively still. Parse your lips as if sipping through a straw. Exhale slowly through your lips for 4 seconds and feel your stomach gently contracting. Repeat these steps several times for better result. Now, make practice with this process, and it will not take much time for you to get or to handhold this special kind of breathing, which can help you enormously to manage any unpleasant emotion. Tip number 3, start journaling. This is a very old and common method for managing your emotions, but a tremendously powerful method for emotional management. So start journaling in a way that you are venting out your emotion with your best frenzy. Write everything that is coming in your mind in a non-judgmental way, and once you start doing it for some time, you will start reflecting on the triggering thoughts that is actually generating the unpleasant emotion, and in a way you will be in a better position to regulate your emotions. You will be in a better position to respect your emotions as well. Tip 4, understand others' perspectives and emotions. Now look at this glass. Some people can say that this is a half empty glass, whereas some other people can say this is a half glass of water. And both are correct, because both of the people or both of them are looking at this glass from different perspectives. And that is exactly what happens with us in life. Same incident, same experience, we see from different perspectives, because we all are different. We are born and brought up in different families, different cultures, with different education, with different people. So our thoughts, emotions and perspective for a single event can be different. Now, by that time, as you are respectful to your own thoughts and emotion and perspective, please pay respect to other thoughts, emotions and their perspective. That will help you to resolve any conflict and will help you to understand others' emotion, and in order it will help you to make powerful relationships. Tip number 5, create your joy list. So what I want you to make a list of all the activities, very simple activities that gives you joy and that gives you joy at any moment. It could be painting with the colors, it could be dancing with your favorite music, it could be listening to your favorite music, it could be listening to a person who motivates you, it could be simply talking or chit-chatting with your best friend, it could be cycling to the bush nearby to your place, it could be any simple activities that can give you joy. And what I want you to make a list of all those things on a single paper, and you can keep adding on activities that gives you joy whenever you find that you are having joys. So when you go through your lows or when you go through your emotional turmoils, you cannot recall or you are not in a mental state to find an activity that can help you out. So then you can reach to your own joy list and pick 1 or 2 activities from here and can do that and can settle down your emotions. Tip number 6, please find people or mentor who can help you to manage your emotions. Don't suppress your emotions within yourself so that one fine day it becomes a pile and it starts affecting your mental health, or it starts affecting your study or the task, or it starts affecting your physical health. Find a person with whom you can share about your emotions, and find a person who can listen to you without any judgment. If you want, you can find a mentor for learning about emotional management or emotional awareness. We learn so many subjects from so many people, so many resources. Why not learning about emotions, which is a very powerful tool for our present and future life? Why not learning on emotional management in an effective way? So if you find these 6 tips are helpful for you, please hit the like button. And if you want to help yourself beyond these tips, then please check the description for our upcoming workshop, because we conduct workshop for the youngsters where we make them emotionally, or we bring the awareness to them how they can build their emotional intelligence in a powerful way. The link is given in the description. You can check the link and join our weekend workshop. And also you can reach to us for deep and meaningful one-to-one conversation for helping yourself to come out of the emotional turmoils. The link of that one-to-one session is also given in the description. So in a nutshell, I want to say, master your emotions, master your life. Only listening cannot help. You need to listen and apply and take action. So take action, be the driver of your own life, take the charge of your own life, take the charge of your own emotions without blaming anyone else or any other situation, and create a super successful and super happy life, present and for future. Signing off right now, Yali. See you once again in my next video. Bye bye.